restaurant. Let's go to some Dallas. Buffalo Phil's. Arcades, coasters, go-karts, 40 theater as well. And go into the front here. See what's like inside. Currently you get served on a train. Okay, here we are going into the front of the building. Very picturesque. Also at Buffalo Phil's, there's two sides. It seems to be a Star Wars theme. Lots of Legos, Lego sets, huge Lego sets. But all in all, pretty nice place. This side's currently empty right now because they filled the one side full first, so they fill the other side. And it doesn't matter where you sit, train track, where you get delivered. Here's our drinks machine on the train. Got everything. Alright, the train has brought us everything.
That's Pepsi. That might be Pepsi.